This is cool.
In the event of inclement weather, the show will still continue.
There's the plane.
If the aerial acts cannot perform due to weather, the
It's
static
upside
displays will still be available. In case of a medical emergency, please report to one of the on-site medical tents. If you are unable to move to a medical tent, please flag down an Airshow staff member or call 911 from a cell phone. Please identify that you are attending the Hill Air Force Base open house, and they will direct first responders to your location.
No, I didn't.
In the event of an emergency, please follow the direction of the event staff and security personnel. For lost children, please report to Hangar 1. This is the large hangar that the event is centered around. There is an area located inside this facility for lost children. Please report any suspicious activity to an airman in uniform or Airshow staff. The crowd barrier line is set up for your safety and security. Do not push, stand, or climb over the barriers. For security reasons, do not leave any personal belongings unattended. When departing the base, be prepared for potential traffic delays. There are no restrooms or water outside the event area, so please plan accordingly. Thank you for attending the weapons of any kind, regardless of permit, are not allowed within the confines of the event. Do not leave any personal belongings unattended. When departing the base, be prepared for potential traffic delays. There are no restrooms or water outside the event area, so please plan accordingly. Thank you for attending the event, and your compliance and patience are greatly appreciated. Welcome to the 2014 Warriors of the Wasatch Open House. For safety and security reasons, smoking will not be allowed at the event. Weapons of any kind, regardless of permit, are not allowed within the confines of the event. Prohibited items barrels have been placed in front of the security portals. This is to allow you to properly dispose of any prohibited items not allowed in the event area.
Oh, yes, you can see. Here. Where's my sunglasses? See the airplane? Yeah.
Well, I guess I could show the giant plane.
Okay, look, the umbrella upgrade thing.
Where'd he go? He's over there. Oh, I lost it. That's a bird.
How do we get out of here? I'm like, are you holding that? But it's still wind.
I'm just gonna record.
Here, you carry that.
Oh, okay.
Just carry it over.
I'll try to carry it. If
Don't
it,
let it fly
I'm
away.
not.
Here, hold on.
Just undo it.
Well, no, because he's gonna end up wanting it.
I'm stopping.